Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're all keeping well and having good times of shopping. Welcome to Flying Skies One. Today I would like to speak of the oldest or the traditional recliner or the resting chair that I've got in my home. My grandma has given Mama this chair. This resting chair is comfortable. This is 60 years back old chair. This resting chair is portable also. You can carry it anywhere you would like to. You can fold it if you don't use and keep it aside. This is how it looks. And whenever you want to rest in this chair, you can unfold it. The first reclining chair is owned by Napoleon III. This is armchair. In 1850, a French military introduced a reclining bed, later served as a chair. This is a small story that I would like to share with you as how a recliner evolved or came into light. There were American cousins in late 1920s named Edward and Edwin. They filed a patent application that has trademarked the design of a simple reclining wooden bench. Later it became a traditional recliner. Nowadays we see a modern recliner or the easy chair shown in the picture. It's called armchair also. The rods are inserted with the support of hooks and a cradle mat goes into it. We are seeing the story of chair, how it has evolved. I have shown you the picture before, how now the recliners are. There's a huge transformation of chairs. First they were used as bed and later a bench. Now coming back to this old recliner in my home, the hands are made of teak wood and the wooden plank is used with the chair. Whenever you unfold the chair, you have to place it on the chair as shown in the picture. Afterwards you can sit and relax on your back, or else you can read, write, study, and you can play even board games also. If at all you don't want to do any of these works, you can even sleep. And in Egypt, these types of chairs or the recliners are used even in tombs, and they were depicted in drawings. In 1990s, Morris chair was hugely popular, and the songs were also written about it. Chairs were used even in 16th century. It has become a common feature then, but it were not called chairs, but it were called beds and benches. You can put this chair in the front yard and relax. The specialty of this chair is it is made of iron, and it's very strong. The weight is 10 kgs to 15 kgs, I would say. but the durability is the longest because it has been used for many years till now. You can see how the chair is folded and unfolded. If you don't want to use the chair, you can put it aside by folding it. Did you like the scientific piece? Please share your feedback. These are the oldest recliners, as you see in the picture. Please give your valuable feedback and let me know how you like this video. Like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies One. Keep smiling.